Oh my God, we did it. Wow, look at that. Wasn't so scary. Oh my God, it's like panicking doesn't ever help anything. Wow, look at, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Hey guys, if you're going to do something, do it with confidence. If you don't think you're going to succeed, then lie to yourself, pretend that you will. If you're going to have to do it anyway, you might as well do it like you care, you know? I think telling the truth is overrated when the truth doesn't help you get where you want to go. I don't mean lie. I mean that in a motivational sense. You know what I mean? You don't have to remind yourself that you're inadequate. You already know that. But you're working to not be. So just focus on that. You know what I mean? Like, there are so many things in life that you're going to feel like you have that imposter syndrome for when you get to the position where, you know, people are asking you for advice and asking you for questions. You're going to be like, man, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That's fine. Truth is, most people don't. Ooh, what's up, baby? Whittier, dial a ride. Should be doing that, mate. But guys, if you feel like you are behind, doesn't matter. Genuinely doesn't matter. If you feel like you're not where you want to be, doesn't matter. Pretend that you are. The saying "fake it till you make it" is actually a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful saying. Trust it. Just trust it. You know, when it comes to going after things that you actually really want in life, you got to do it with a blissful ignorance and endless optimism. The moment you start trying to, you know, become one with reality, you've already lost. Reality is overrated sometimes. Do what you believe is best. You know. Hell, that's why we all go to school, I think. Because we want to be somebody. That's why we have the careers we do. Because we want to get somewhere. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Believe in yourself the whole way through. And you can do what you do, baby.